Okay, I want to talk to you about the metric system on the midterm study guide for Math 110. First of all, I'd like to talk to you about some of the basic units that we use. The meter, which is a similar to a yardstick. If you know what a yardstick looks like, I actually have a meter stick here. I don't know if you can see all of it, but a meter stick is about 39 inches long. You know, a yardstick's 36, so it's a little longer than a yard. That's our basic unit of length, meter. Liter, we've all become accustomed to what a liter looks like because of buying liters of pops, or before we used about 2 liters of pops, and so you get a visual what a liter should look like. It's a basic unit of capacity for liquid measure. Gram is our unit of weight or mass. So gram is a very small unit. You know, these two are, you can kind of see and feel how big that would be, but gram is real tiny. It's a real tiny weight. So when we talk about a kilogram, it's still not a lot. A kilogram, 1,000 grams, is similar to our pound measure in the Old English system. So a milligram is very, very tiny. You know, we use that in the measurement of medicines a lot of times, milligrams of medicine. So super tiny, 1,000th of a gram, which is already a small measure. Now, when converting between units, this is the scale, the basic scale you'll use for this class. When you go up the scale, moving up the scale moves the decimal to the left. Each jump moves it one left, the decimal point. If you go down the scale, you move your decimal to the right, one jump each move. Now when you're doing the square units, though, you'll use two moves, 2 decimals for every move on the scale. And if it's cubic units, to the 3rd power, you'll move 3 for every move on this scale. So keep that in mind. But the linear measures we'll start out with, like on number 53, ask us to convert 47.1 Hg, which is a hectogram, to how many grams. So we're going from hecto to just regular grams, so that's 2 moves down. Down is right. So move the decimal to right. So that adds an extra 0. Number 54, that was 53. 54, same thing, 2.48 kiloliter, move that to liter. So kilo to liter, that's 1, 2, 3 moves down. Again, down is right, so 3 right. That adds another 0, so 2, 4, 8, 0. I'm going to move down to number 58, to make my point, number 59. We have square units. 832 square centimeters is how many square millimeters? So when we're talking square units, we're talking length times width, 2-dimensional. So instead of just one move, like on the linear, we move 2 for each one. So from centa to milla is one move, but we move the decimal 2 places. And centa to milla is down, so it'll be right. The decimal's here, so 2 right, 8, 3, 2, 0, 0. And then on number 60, we've got 8, let's see, I've got cubic units. 7 cubic meters is how many cubic decimeters? So when moving from meter, let's see, where's meter? Meter is the basic unit here, to deci, that's 1 down, but we move 3 places. And down is right with our decimal. Decimal is understood to be at the end if you don't see it otherwise. So 3 places over basically adds 3